In this step-by-step guide, I am going to show you how to link your Paysera Visa card to PayPal. Integrating your Paysera Visa card with PayPal enhances your payment flexibility, allowing you to shop online, send money, and receive payments with ease. This tutorial will guide you through the simple process of linking your Paysera Visa card to your account. Before you start, ensure that you meet the following requirements. You have a Paysera Visa card. There's a minimum balance of 1.50 euros in your Paysera card, which PayPal may require for the verification process. Open your web browser and log into your PayPal website, or you can do it on the mobile app as I am doing. Click on the login button and enter your PayPal credentials to access your account. Locate and click the wallet option on the top of the page. Inside the wallet, you'll find an option to link a debit or credit card. Click on this to start the process of adding your Paysera Visa card. A form will appear asking your card details. Fill out the form with card number, expiry date, and CVV. After entering your card details, review the information to ensure accuracy, then click on Link a Card. PayPal may make a small charge for your card for verification purposes. This amount is typically refunded or credited to your PayPal account shortly after verification. Also, PayPal may require additional steps to verify your card. Follow any prompts to complete the verification process. This may include entering a code that appears on your card statement associated with the small charges made by PayPal. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.